Welcome to the infinite universe, where the wonders of space never cease to amaze. Today, we're going to embark on an incredible journey through the cosmos, exploring 10 mind-blowing astronomy facts that will challenge everything you thought you knew about space. So, grab a seat and prepare for a cosmic adventure that's sure to leave you in awe. Fact 1. The Sun's core. Let's begin with our closest star, the Sun, a giant ball of nuclear fury. The Sun's core is where the magic happens. Picture this. At its core, the Sun reaches temperatures of about 15 million degrees Celsius, or roughly 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than anything we can imagine here on Earth. This intense heat enables a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms collide and fuse to form helium. In doing so, they release massive amounts of energy. This energy is what we see as sunlight, and it's what powers almost everything on Earth, from the plants in your garden to the devices you're using right now. It's incredible to think that our entire existence depends on the relentless fusion occurring deep within our star. Just imagine, every second, the Sun fuses around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. This process has been going on for over 4.5 billion years, and it will continue for billions more. It's like a cosmic engine, tirelessly working to keep our solar system warm and alive. Fact 2. Light travel time. Now, speaking of sunlight, let's talk about the remarkable journey that light takes from the Sun to Earth. Light travels at an astonishing speed of nearly 300,000 kilometers per second, but even at this incredible velocity, it still takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach us. So when you're basking in the warmth of the Sun, remember, you're actually feeling the energy that left the Sun over 8 minutes ago. In a way, you're looking back in time every time you see sunlight. That light has traveled 150 million kilometers across the vacuum of space to reach you. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? And here's something even more fascinating. Because light takes time to travel, the farther away we look in the universe, the further back in time we're seeing. When astronomers observe distant stars and galaxies, they're actually peering into the ancient history of the universe, seeing light that has traveled for millions or even billions of years before reaching Earth. Fact 3. Venus's long day. Next up, let's visit our neighboring planet Venus, often called Earth's twin because of its similar size and composition. But here's a crazy fact. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. How is that possible? Venus has an incredibly slow rotation, so slow in fact that it takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full spin on its axis. But Venus orbits the Sun much faster, completing a trip around our star in just 225 Earth days. This means that on Venus, the Sun would rise, cross the sky, and set, but you'd have to wait longer than an entire Venusian year to see it happen again. And that's not all. Venus spins in the opposite direction of most planets, including Earth. So if you could stand on Venus, though you wouldn't want to because of the extreme heat and crushing pressure, you'd see the Sun rise in the west and set in the east. Talk about a planet that likes to do things its own way. Fact 4. Olympus Mons. Our next stop is Mars, the red planet, a place of great interest for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Mars is home to some truly awe-inspiring features, but none are more impressive than Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in our solar system. Olympus Mons stands at a staggering 22 kilometers high. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is so wide that it would cover the entire state of Arizona, and if you stood at the base of Olympus Mons, the peak would be beyond the horizon. This giant volcano is a shield volcano, meaning it was formed by repeated eruptions of lava that flowed outwards and solidified. It's thought that Olympus Mons may still be an active volcano, although no eruptions have been observed in recent history. Imagine the power and spectacle of such an eruption towering over the Martian landscape. Fact 5. The Milky Way's size. Let's zoom out a bit and take a look at our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is a vast spiraling collection of stars, planets, gas, and dust, all bound together by gravity. But just how big is it? The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. That means if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to go from one end of our galaxy to the other. That's a journey that none of us could ever hope to complete in a lifetime. Our galaxy is home to an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars, and among them is our very own Sun. But did you know that there are other galaxies out there that make the Milky Way look small by comparison? Some galaxies, like the giant elliptical galaxy M87, are hundreds of times larger and contain trillions of stars. The universe is truly a place of staggering scale. Fact 6. Earth's quasi-moon. Returning to Earth, let's explore something a little closer to home. While we all know about our moon, did you know that Earth has a companion in space that's often overlooked? It's called 3753 Cruithne, and it's known as a quasi-moon. Cruithne doesn't orbit Earth like the moon does, but it follows a peculiar horseshoe-shaped path around the sun that keeps it in sync with our planet. This means that Cruithne and Earth are gravitationally linked in a way that makes it seem as though Cruithne is orbiting us, even though it's technically orbiting the sun. Cruithne takes about 770 years to complete one full loop along its orbital path. It's not a true moon, but it's a fascinating example of how dynamic and complex our solar system really is. Who knows? There could be other quasi-moons out there waiting to be discovered. Fact 7. Black hole density. Now let's delve into one of the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the universe, black holes. These cosmic giants are the remnants of massive stars that have collapsed under their own gravity, forming a point in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The density of a black hole is beyond anything we can truly comprehend. Imagine taking the mass of 1 billion suns and compressing it into an area no larger than a city. That's the kind of density we're talking about. To give you an idea, if you had a sugar cube-sized amount of black hole material, it would weigh as much as an entire mountain range. Black holes are like cosmic vacuum cleaners, sucking in everything that gets too close, warping space and time itself. And yet, despite their immense power, black holes are almost impossible to detect directly. We can only observe their effects on the matter around them. Fact 8. Pulsars. Next, let's explore one of the universe's most extreme phenomena, pulsars. Pulsars are the remnants of massive stars that have exploded in supernovae. What's left behind is a neutron star, a super-dense object made almost entirely of neutrons. But here's the amazing part. Pulsars are incredibly fast rotators. Some pulsars spin hundreds of times per second. As they rotate, they emit beams of electromagnetic radiation from their magnetic poles. These beams sweep across space like cosmic lighthouses, and when they point toward Earth, we detect them as pulses of light, or radio waves. The fastest known pulsar spins at over 700 times per second. That's faster than a kitchen blender. These spinning stars are like cosmic clocks, ticking away with incredible precision, and they're invaluable tools for astronomers studying the universe. Fact 9. Exoplanets. Now let's venture beyond our solar system and into the realm of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our sun. The discovery of exoplanets has revolutionized our understanding of the universe and opened up the tantalizing possibility that we might not be alone in the cosmos. To date, astronomers have confirmed the existence of over 5,000 exoplanets, and that's just in our local galactic neighborhood. Many of these planets reside in what's known as the habitable zone, the region around a star where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Imagine the possibilities. There could be entire worlds out there teeming with life, perhaps even civilizations far more advanced than our own. The search for exoplanets is one of the most exciting frontiers in astronomy, and who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the future. Fact 10. Dark matter. Finally, let's touch on one of the greatest mysteries in modern science, dark matter. Despite making up about 85% of the matter in the universe, dark matter is invisible and doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation. So how do we know it's there? Scientists have detected dark matter through its gravitational effects on galaxies and other cosmic structures. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart because they're rotating too fast for their visible mass alone to hold them together. This passage provides a thrilling dive into some of the most fascinating aspects. But what exactly is dark matter? That's the billion-dollar question. Despite decades of research, we still don't know what dark matter is made of. It could be composed of unknown particles, or it might be something even stranger that we haven't even conceived of yet. Solving the mystery of dark matter could unlock new realms of physics and reshape our understanding of the universe. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about space that are sure to leave you thinking about the universe in a whole new way. Whether it's the scorching core of the sun, the mind-bending density of black holes, or the mysteries of dark matter, the cosmos is full of wonders that challenge our imagination and push the boundaries of what we know. The universe is vast, and our journey of discovery is far from over. So keep looking up, keep asking questions, and who knows, you might just uncover the next big mystery of the cosmos. Until next time, keep exploring.